production process of boneless chicken feet. The workers first clean the chicken feet thoroughly and check each one to ensure the skin has been fully removed. Then they are boiled to remove blood and any strong odors. This helps enhance the chicken feet's flavor. After boiling on high heat, the temperature is lowered to medium, and they are cooked for 10 minutes. 7 minutes of cooking is optimal. The chicken feet are then rinsed with cold water, and our workers manually remove the bones. For every 3 pounds of bone-in chicken feet, 1 pound of boneless chicken feet is produced. The boneless chicken feet are then cleaned using a bubble washer, removing any impurities and bits of meat. This ensures the integrity and better texture of the boneless chicken feet. Once cleaned, the boneless chicken feet are placed into a marinade bucket with pre-prepared ingredients. After marinating for a period, they are taken out, resulting in the deliciously colored original flavor pickled chicken feet. By adding various flavored broths, they are packed and ready for shipment.